Yes, it is.
Well, it just brings me to this very special moment that I'm here for tonight, and I am absolutely pleased and as pleased as punch to present this award to this young woman to the right of me. She and I are Aryan sisters. We're sisters of the soul, sisters in the spirit. And my son Clarence, absolutely like you and I, just adore her.